Good morning. I am just uploading yesterday's vlog, which you would have seen by now. If you haven't, then go and watch it. Plan for today is to go to Home Depot. Well, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Let's go. So never trust these pockets on your trainer shorts because they're terrible and your phone will fall out of them, so just put it in your bag. I'm rocking the beautiful white socks, but they won't be white for long since I'm going to be putting on these beautiful shoes, which is all good because these are brand new, like I said in the last video. I kind of forgot that I need to take the bike. I got carried away with filming the video. Let's get the bike then. Since I'm riding the bike and I've not got much to do, I can talk to you guys. I'm gonna just tell you the good news today and the bad news. So the good news is that it's really warm outside, almost plus 30 degrees. So instead of going to Spain, you can come to Latvia and enjoy the weather here because it's as warm as there. And the bad news are that the little bird that you saw in the previous video has flown away. Okay, so this is what I need. It's for my tortoises, whatever it is. Yeah, let's go. So, yeah, I'm gonna clean the tortoises house outside so I don't have to do it inside and make a mess. I'm gonna do it on the grass near the trampoline. Okay, so the first thing is, you don't use this first. You get the tortoises out of the cage, whether this is the box, and take all the accessories that they have with them. Yeah. Alright, so when you've taken that out, you need to grab a shovel or whatever that is. Take all this stuff out. My brother just almost squished one of the tortoises under a chair. He said he didn't see him. That's why you need to put a little red band around him so you can see him better. So you rip it open and let it go. Yeah. Now that you've done that, you should be left with something like this, while still keeping an eye on the tortoises, because I can see one, I cannot see the other. Oh yeah, I can see it. So anyway, now that you've got a nice mixture of this thing, you just put all the stuff that you took out back in, like the rocks. I've got a big wood, so you put that in, whatever you want, doesn't matter, up to you. And you put in their bowl, and you'll never guess what they eat. You know, the stuff that you don't want growing in your garden, that's what the tortoises eat. Here we are under the trampoline. Just pluck these things out and get a whole handful of them, and then you just have to put it in a bowl. I think everyone can do that themselves. That's easy. So I'm just going to show you how quickly they move. This is the place where I was working at. And you see over there, see over here, this is where he is. This is her. This is his girlfriend. Ow. Alright, so it's time to take this baby out. My little pit bike. Alright, here it is. Look how big I look on it. It's up to my waist height for me. Also, my brother has a quad bike, and he's not so good at riding. And you see this mark right here, dent. It's a little dent for him. Basically, what happened was we were riding, and I kind of quickly braked, and he just couldn't stop in time. So he crashed right into the back of my bike, broke my back brake. This thing is just, it freely moves around, nothing's connected to it. Got a big old dent in my exhaust, so that's really nice. Shout out to my brother for doing that, I love him. Anyways, I'm gonna take my bike for a spin around our area and just do some burnouts or something like that. Hopefully not crashing. See if I can do a wheelie as well on video. Alright, let's get it kick-started. Yes! Get me all suited up. I'm just gonna go in a t-shirt and shorts. I'm gonna do a quick little burnout right here. Oh fuck. Okay, so this is like my wheelie spot. Alright, I guess that'll be enough pit bike for today. I'm just going to take it home now and I'll show you something really cool. Since I do a lot of riding on like pavements and streets, not just off-road roads, this is what happens to the tyre when you've been riding on like pavement and stuff. It gets holes and it kind of like goes, these break little blocks as you break away. And then, yeah, you're basically going to need to get a new tyre. Yes, I also got my name on here. This is a little bit, but that's an E and then a Meals. The motor's 125cc for anyone who's wondering. This is Nitro Motors Sky 125. Alright, thanks again for watching today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, press the like button and subscribe. It would be amazing if you could get me to 100 subscribers. It's going to be raining any minute right now, so I'm just quickly outside to do the outro. And yeah, alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, that doesn't sound very good.